I've got a real head scratcher for you today.
Oh, I can solve it, Sammy.
Mr. Brown's shop was robbed and the suspect left a mysterious note. How do we solve this?
Oh, this is an easy one, Sammy. We'll analyze the handwriting.
Handwriting, how does that help?
Well, look here. Every person has a different handwriting style. You take a card and I'll take a card, and we'll write the same word. Mystery.
Mystery. Oh, okay.
Look, they're completely different.
All right, I get it now, but how's that going to help us out here?
I have some handwriting samples on file. We'll see which one matches the note we found.
I don't see a difference here.
Well, look at this, Sammy. See how the D is large and loops? It's the same D from the note.
Yes, it is. Okay, we've got our guy.
Hang on, Sammy. Something doesn't seem right. Look! It's Professor Thorne!
Thorne, my mortal enemy.
Thanks to you all for helping us solve the case. See you next time.